Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today's class I'll be teaching one sum, how to treat subscription in income and expenditure account. Subscription is a revenue receipt and you know it's an income. So now in this sum we'll be calculating the income what is got from subscription for a particular year. So you know already that in income and expenditure account, items pertaining to the current year alone should be taken into consideration. Items which are related to the previous year and next year or subsequent year should not be added, it should be subtracted. If there is anything outstanding for the current year, what we have to do? We have to add it. And if there is any income which is for the current year has been received last year, that also should be added. So already we know the rules, what should be added and what should be subtracted. So we'll do the sum so that you can understand clearly. Question number 11, page number 74. I'll read the question, just watch the screen, understand the question, then we'll move on to the sum. Compute income from subscription for the year 2018 from the following particulars relating to a club. 1/1/2018, outstanding subscription 3000, subscription received in advance is 4000. 31/12/2018, outstanding subscription 5000, subscription received in advance is 7000. Subscription received during the year 2018 is 45,000. Now look to the question children, what is asked there? Compute the income from subscription for the year 2018. Okay. So it is just we are going to compute. Question number 11. Now see the last sentence of the question. Subscription received during the year 2018 is 45,000. So take that first. Subscription received for 2018. That is the current year. 2018 is the current year. That is 45,000. Okay. First we will see what are the things to be added. Okay. See the question. Outstanding subscription on 1/1/2018. That is not for this year. 1/1/2018 it is outstanding means it belongs to the previous year. That is not for the current year. So that should be subtracted. Okay. Next, subscription received in advance on 1/1/2018. Subscription received in advance on 1/1/2018, it means it is a subscription for this year, but you have received last year. So what you have to do? That should be added. Subscription received for 2018 is rupees 45,000. Now we'll see what are the things to be added. Outstanding subscription 3000 the beginning of the year. That means it is outstanding for the previous year, that is not for this year. So that should be subtracted. The 3000 rupees should be subtracted. Next, subscription received in advance the beginning of the year. Okay, 4000. What we have to do? It's received in advance the beginning of the year. It means it was received last year, but it is related to this year. So what you have to do? That 4000 you have to add. Subscription received in advance in 2017 for 2018, which is for 2018. Okay. So that 4000 should be added. Next is outstanding subscription 5000. Outstanding, it means for the current year it is outstanding. Again what you have to do? You have to add that. Okay. Subscription outstanding for 2018. That 5000 is outstanding for the current year. So both these you add, write it in the outer column. So that will give you 54,000. 54,000. Then what are the things to be subtracted? Less outstanding subscription in 2017. In 2017, that is the previous year, it is outstanding, but now we are receiving. So it's not an income for this year, it belongs to last year. So what you have to do? You have to subtract. Subscription outstanding for 2017. So the previous year outstanding is 3000. So that you have to subtract. Then what is the other thing you have to subtract? See the question. Subscription received in advance at the end of the year. Received in advance. 7,000 rupees received in advance. It means it does not belong to the current year. It is for the subsequent year, next year. Next year's income, now before itself we are receiving in advance. So that also should be subtracted. Subscription received in advance in 2018. 2018 is the current year. This is the amount which is pertaining to the next year. So the 7,000 we don't want. So again add these two and subtract. So that will give 44. So this is the income, that will give 44,000 income from subscription for 2018. Okay, understood? Once again I'll repeat, just look to the sum. Subscription received for 2018, that is the current year. 2018 is the current year. So what is the income you have got through subscription? 45,000. Now subscription received in advance in 2017, which belongs to 2018. It's an income for 2018, but you received it previously. So since it is an income for this year, what you have to do, this 4,000 I have to add. Is it clear? Next, subscription outstanding for 2018, current year. Which is the current year? 2018. So this 5,000 is the amount which is outstanding for the current year. So both these items related to the current year. So both we have to take, you have to add this 45 plus 9, you will get 54,000. Okay. Then next, why I am subtracting this? Subscription outstanding for 2017. 2017 it is outstanding, now we are receiving. So it is not for this year. So that should be subtracted. Next, subscription received in advance in 2018. This is an income for the next year, subsequent year, but now we are receiving 7,000. Again, these two are not for the current year. So these two have to be subtracted, that is 10,000 rupees should be deducted. So the income from subscription for 2018, that is the current year, is only 44,000. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.